In today's video, I will show you how to change the default from prefix, which typically appears on products with multiple variants at different price points. And for the purpose of this example, I'll change the prefix to starting at instead of from. So to make the change, the steps are as follows. First, we'll log into your Shopify admin account, then go to online store, then look for your current theme. In my case, it's DOM version 15.0.2, and then click on three dots, and then select Edit Default Theme Content. Now look for the filter at the very top right here, and then type the following: from, space, and then add the left curly bracket, just like this. Now look for the following section right here: product price, followed by from price HTML. And now let's change the prefix right here. Instead of from, let's change it to starting at. And also make sure not to change the actual variable. So once it's done, save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update in system, then go back to the website and then refresh the collection. And as you can see, the products with multiple variants at different price points are now showing starting at followed by the price. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found this tip helpful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.